Shall I go middle?
Yep. He's
Okay.
ready? He's ready.
Nah.
Oh, he's dead, G.
Oh, he's
They're
dead.
all dead.
Yo.
There's a stand right next to me now.
Yep, come on.
Listen. Who's peeking there?
I'm still
you
over
up
here,
to?
bro.
Still in that
Fucking
one area?
chasing the 7. Yeah.
Gee, any sounds, you
another
look
one,
how
bro.
purple it is, bro.
I tagged the 7 twice.
Yeah, secret 11:30 at that end. Young Quarker behind us.
Damn, wish I had a bow, eh? A buck.
Yeah, real quiet, G.
Bro,
Not-
it's like $4.
Not like the big 303 I'm using, G. Fucking hear it across the lake.
It's only
$4
300.
in the Steam store.
Yeah, I wanna go buy the trophy lodge here and chuck up those 8.
Oh, is that him using that caller?
Yeah, I'm using the pig caller, G. So whoever that pig is, he's gonna come right to us. Bro, this is what I was doing, G. I was just sitting here letting the bro call and everything, and I'll just blow them away.
Oh, here he is. Can I pop him or not?
There he is.
I see the pig, yeah.
Oh, these two.
No, there's 3, here's another one. Right under me, right under us, right here.
Oh, shit.
Oh shit.
Oh,
One each for the boys.
one
Right
each.
under you, bro.
Yeah, I see him.
I'm ready. I got the black
Hold
one.
up. One
Wait for the bro.
He's walking through the trees. Alright, I got a shot now.
Which I got the closest one to me. So white and black.
Shall I go middle?
Yep. Is
Okay.
ready? He's ready.
Nah.
Oh, he's dead, G.
Oh, he's
They're
dead.
all dead.
Yo.
He's
I
dead.
got that one.
The boys. Big slayers.
Did we get all 3?
Yeah, bro. All 3 down.
All the boys just blew away a pig. All vital shots too, looking at that. Blood.
Yeah, look at those bloods. Oh my god.
Bro, look how much dead, like, tier there are, G.
Did he shoot? Did he bow them from there?
So, bro, there was a pig to your right, G, directly across from the team.
Yeah.
Bro, and he bowed it from where he
Yeah,
is
bro,
right now.
trying.
Hey. Happy New Year's, my bro. Mihi o te toiho, my bro. Choo. Kia ora, my bro, Reaper. Up to. Oh, you got a horn, my cuz. Mean. Is that a cup? Oh,
Who's got a horn now?
but a karanga.
Oh, that's a
Oh.
red caller, G.
Yo,
Shout
use
out
it.
to everyone popping through.
Who's
On their way to a Philly.
Oh, this
Good
fella's.
enough. Yo, let's go. Get that average, my G.
Do that call,
Appreciate
brother.
Everyone just stopping in.
Yeah.
That's the call right.